Alright, this is a video of an issue I was having with my 96 Honda Civic. The issue was it was misfiring cylinder number 4. I'd be pushing the gas, losing power, all that fun stuff. So naturally, the first thing people want to do is check the spark plugs and spark plug wires. I checked them, they all seemed fine. I changed them out anyways, it was still the same thing. I went to a mechanic shop. They quoted me $2,400 for a new engine. That is what they claimed that the issue was. I took it somewhere else, got a second opinion, and they told me that the computer was not firing in cylinder number 4. This is my old computer. As you can see, it is corroded beyond belief. Okay? And also, on the inside, the connectors are kind of greenish. But yeah, I just wanted to open the computer up. There's usually a case on this, front and back, but it is corroded everywhere. So, what I did to resolve the issue, I bought a used ECU on eBay. Cost me $30 and about $6 shipping. I installed it. It's in there now. Also, when you reinstall your new computer, have it facing the opposite way, meaning it'll face upwards. Because when you install it, it's usually downwards like this. So I'm assuming either water got there or snow got in there or something went in there and caused this issue. Vehicle runs perfect now. No issues at all. Just thought I'd make a video on it if anyone's having this type of issue. It's very easy to change out this computer. There's no programming or anything like that. It's basically plug and play. I'm pretty sure people have had this issue where there's a misfire or multiple misfires, and they change the spark plugs and spark plug wires and they're still having the same issue. Check your computers first. They're cheap, very easy to install, and always get a second opinion. Thanks for watching.